Hello everyone. Today I want to explain my homework 9.2. I will present my solution to the homework problem, which involved converting a given block diagram into a single floor graph. This presentation will work through the process step by step, explain the underlying concepts, and provide the final solution. The presentation is structured into four main parts. First, we will restate the problem, then review the key concepts needed for the solution, followed by a detailed step-by-step derivation, and finally we will present the final result and conclusions. The task is to find the Laplace transform or the transfer function ys by xs for the block diagram shown on the right. This involves simplifying the interconnected blocks into a single equivalent block. To solve this problem, we need to recur three fundamental block diagram reduction rules: series connection, parallel connection, and feedback loop simplification. These rules allow us to combine blocks step by step. First, we simplify the inner feedback loop formed by G2 and H1. Applying the feedback formula, this loop can be replaced by an equivalent block G21, which is G2 divided by 1 plus G2 times H1. Next, we combine the three blocks in series: G1, the newly formed G21, and G3. Multiplying their transfer functions gives us the total forward path transfer function, G total. Finally, we applied the feedback formula one last time to the outer loop formed by G total and H2. This gives us the overall transfer function ys by xs. After simplifying the complex fraction, we arrive at the final result. Description: combine the final feedback loop consisting of G total and H2 to drive the overall transfer function. Overall transfer function derivation: frac ys xs is frac G total multiply 1 apply G total multiply H2 is frac multiply frac G1 G2 G3 multiply 1 apply G2 H1 multiply 1 and frac G1 G2 G3 H2 multiply 1 apply G2 H1 in frac G1 G2 G3 multiply 1 apply G2 H1 apply G1 G2 G3H2. Conclusions: the system is now fully reduced to the single transfer function, representing the input-output relationship. In conclusion, the Laplace transform for the given block diagram is as shown here. This result was obtained by methodically applying the standard block diagram. Simplification technical. The overall Laplace transform of the block diagram is derived by systematically applying block diagram reduction rules. This result provides a concise mathematical model for the system input-output relationship, and the final result is ys by xs is g1 multiply g2 multiply g3 by 1 apply g2 h1 apply g1 g2 g3 h2. This is all my homework 9.2. Thanks for your listening. See you.